Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a rolling text around an item effect in the CapCut. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you will need to have a photo of an item, and basically I will have this photo of a cup, Mickey Mouse cup, and I want to text roll around it. To do this, I will need to open the CapCut and click on the new video right here. Now I will go to photos and choose my photo with the Mickey Mouse cap and click on the add button. And now as we added our cap to the timeline, we will need to click on the text to add a rolling text. So click on the text, now add text, the first button, go to the animations folder, and here you will need to find a rolling text. To do this, you will need to click on the search bar and type rolling, and you will need to choose annular rolling. So now as we choose annular rolling, we will need to enter some text. So for example, it will be this is text, and that's it. Of course, you can adjust font if you want. Go to the fonts and choose the font that you like. So for example, block, and then click on the tick button in the top right corner to add this text. Now we will need to adjust this text so it will be just like in the middle, somewhere in the middle of the cup, in the center, and that is basically it. So now we will need to add an overlay. So go back to the main menu and click on the overlay button right here and click on add overlay, and go to the photos and add now once again the photo of our Mickey Mouse cap as an overlay. So as you can see, we added the second photo of the Mickey Mouse cap, and now we will need to delete the background of the overlay Mickey Mouse cap. To do this, choose the overlay that we just added and scroll to the left until you will find remove background and choose custom removal. Here basically you will need to just do like this on your item and it will select it, and basically when it is perfectly selected you will need to click on the tick button and the background is perfectly removed. Now as you can see, it got a little smaller, so we will adjust it so it will suit perfectly. And as you can see, now we got two photos, one without background and one with the background. Now we will need to go back and make sure that we have our overlay photo in front of everything. To do this, select the overlay layer and just scroll down a little bit until you will find the layers option. So in the end you will have layers, and make sure that the overlay is in front of everything. To do this, select the overlay and click on front, and as you can see, now I have overlay in front of everything and click on the tick button. And now the last step, we will need to select the overlay layer once again and click on the mask, the last option here, and choose horizontal. And now we will need to adjust the text so it will perfectly roll around our cup. You can check the result. As you can see, now we will need to adjust a little bit, so something like that, and then check the result. Yes, the perfect text around the cup is completed, and now you can export your video, and that is basically it. That is how you can make rolling text around your item. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.